Okay.
Intro Mira. Like
Hello guys. That was a very awkward.
I'll just intro myself, okay?
Turn off the flash, you fucking moron!
சிவாஜின்னு ஒரு படம் இருந்தா அது எதை பத்தி இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்?
சிவாஜி கணேசன் பத்தி இருக்கலாம் இல்லாட்டி ரஜினி நினைச்ச படம் மாதிரி
தீனா அப்படிங்கிறது
கேரக்டர் ஆஃப் தீனா பத்தி ஒரு
ஷாங்சி and the Ten Rings அத பத்தினா ஷாங்சி பத்தி இருக்கும்னு நீங்க நினைக்கலாம். தப்பு. His father and his mother and all those fucking flashbacks take a lot of screen time more than his presence.
Ten Rings had literally the least screen time in the entire movie. Why did they even make this movie? Again, it's an origins movie, but it had origins of every other character in the movie other than the Ten Rings. What is it? Where did it come from? What is it made of? Where did his father come from? Why was he immortal in the first place? Why did they even have to like show all the flashbacks?
This movie was actually directed by this dude who was like really inspired by I did see a lot of
anime
inspirations. There's obviously Dragon Ball Z. கடைசில second half ல வந்து Pokemonலாம் வந்துச்சு. What is this ready?
Yeah, I read it Ninetales and one of those creatures called Morris. It had wings but for a face, but it can't fly, it can't walk properly. What do you even properly do except like maybe guide them through the maze of trees that eats people?
It did have a better role than fucking Aquafina.
And Ten Rings.
Yeah, and the Ten Rings. What the hell? Morris had a better role in the fucking movie than fucking Aquafina. What kind of a name is Aquafina?
Aquafina, come on. I mean, the first time I saw her her actual name in the credits, I was like, am I seeing this wrong? Is it actually Aquafina?
It's AWK.
Yeah, for to clarify.
Aquafina.
I actually want to know the meaning of that name now.
It's just awkward. Aquafina.
The movie starts like a typical Chinese movie, like every Chinese movie I've ever seen. I think I've never seen a Chinese movie that didn't have kung fu in it. Have you ever?
That's racist, bro. What the hell, bro?
I mean, it's not. It's kind of a specialty. I wouldn't say it's racist. Okay, it's a good trait Chinese people have. Like,
and small dicks.
Yeah.
One good stuff I really wanted to talk about was like the fights, bro. Fights are
was really good.
Really amazing, yo.
I mean, if Jackie Chan had done this.
Yeah, exactly. I really wanted Jackie Chan to be a part of Shang-Chi, man.
If Jackie Chan had been the father, actually, that would be an epic role. Then I would have completely rooted for father rather than Shang-Chi. Okay, I want to change the course of the movie. Come on, focus on the father. Give me a spin-off before your movie starts. Give me a spin-off.
You know, a movie was horrible when a lot of people are looking at the hero's father and mother.
I know.
They are hot.
And fucking Aquafina. Come on.
What the fuck? She's hot. What? Fuck. Why is she even there in the movie?
After it's first established that the father is Genghis Khan, he randomly goes on an expedition into a forest. And his car is thrown off, but somehow the father escapes. And he goes back into the forest for some reason. In search of, of course, he's going in search of Talo, the mystic land of Pokemon.
You know, like speaking about Talo, I really think that it's very convenient for those Marvel movies to just suddenly, randomly, start introducing places.
It's like Wakanda.
Yeah, Wakanda. I mean, like Wakanda.
It's like Chinese Wakanda.
Basically, Chinese Wakanda. What the fuck?
Yeah, they even have this. In place of vibrating, they have something called dragon scales.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, it's like completely similar to it.
Black Panther.
But Black Panther was so much better than
It was
1,000
amazing.
times better than.
No, it was
the way it was directed was really good.
Ryan Coogler did an awesome job. Like Creed 2, Creed, direct பண்ணது. It's like an amazing movie. Like that is how it should be. See, what they did with Shang-Chi was like they were talking about like Asian culture and like they were bringing women empowerment. Dude, I think Atli is making moves. Okay, you are kalachifying him.
Careful here, do not touch.
You are kalachifying him, but my man. He's getting Shahrukh Khan, he's getting in Marvel vandri Singapore pada vekkira. What is wrong with you?
What's with all movies introducing these women empowerment scenes into their
it's like very forced.
Like even I think the first time I noticed it was in Avengers Endgame.
It's like ஒரே ஒரு சீனுக்கு மட்டும் வந்துட்டு
so awkward. I mean, it was not even natural. It's like you're not even
I
supporting.
think we're going to get cancelled right now, but it's okay.
Bro, no, I mean it's in a good way, right? They're not. It's not like you're even supporting feminism or anything. It's like we have to have this movie or people are gonna talk bad about us, kind of.
Said Atli when making Singapore.
Hey, Singapore, don't talk bad about that, bro. Listen, that was one movie. That was a women-centered movie which had Vijay as the hero, and people actually went to see the movie for Vijay and not the girls. And that was an epic failure portrayal of feminism. Nobody went to see the movie for the girls.
அதாவது பிரெக்னன்ட்டா இருந்தா நீங்க எல்லாம் பைசைக்கிள்க்கு கடிப்பீங்களாமா அடே okay this is not the roast of pickle.
Yeah, we're going like changing parts here. People like use a lot of weapons, a lot of fight moves, a lot of martial arts, boxing, everything, but a dance is what made a
like, yeah, what kind of dude? What was that? Was there a fucking mating dance? I think it was a mating dance.
Like it started like Shaolin soccer, like
Yeah.
all flying and stuff. But in the end, it was like they were dancing like somehow I don't know what were they doing.
ஐயோ இதெல்லாம் விடு அதெல்லாம் விடு நான் சொல்றேன் பாரு ஒரு மேட்டிங் டான்ஸ் bro Shang-Chi like he meets his auntie okay yeah, I'm not even kidding
Later go like in
சரி okay I get super
Yeah,
excited நாங்க வந்துட்டு என்ன எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணி போனோம் நிறைய பேர் Rotten Tomatoesல வந்துட்டு 91 or 92 and like people were giving awesome amazing ratings but the thing was Indian people were not giving it. What happened? Like, why are people so happy or why are people so? I mean, like they were like, wow, this is culturally enriching to see a movie like this and all. இதே தான் வந்து Crazy Rich Asians சொன்னாங்க. Have you seen Crazy Rich?
Actually, it's a hyped up movie.
Yeah, exactly. அதுதான் நான் சொல்றேன் பாரு. But when I watched Crazy Rich Asians, I was like, what is there in that? But a lot of Americans, a lot of people outside India, they were like amazed by whatever the basically ஒரு விக்ரமன் படத்தை எடுத்து வச்சிருக்காங்க Crazy Rich Asians. It was full of sentiments and that full drama shit and like that those cringy ass typical South Indian கல்யாணம் பண்ணி வைப்பாங்களா மாட்டாங்களா லவ் வந்துட்டு இது பண்ணுவாங்களா மாட்டாங்களா that kind of shit. Shang-Chi it worked well with the foreign audiences because they were not used to seeing all those masala shit. Indians were like, what is this shit? I've been watching this for 20 fucking years. Why would I watch this? அவங்க பார்க்கல அதனால உங்களுக்கு நல்லா இருக்கு. நீ வா செல்லம் நான் வந்து போட்டு காமிக்கிறேன் ஒவ்வொரு படமா வந்து போட்டு காமிக்கிறேன்.
I think like one more reason the movie was a hit was because of a long gap in the Marvel. Like last year it's been a long time since we saw a Marvel movie. This is not even a typical Marvel movie. It's just released under the banner of Marvel. It's good they're exploring different stuff. ஆனா வந்து that was so focused with taking a Chinese movie. We need to include these elements. We need to include dragons. What do people love about Chinese? Dragons. And he was also scared that what if we introduce like Chinese style dragons and people don't love it. So he introduced also a Western style dragon. Like from Game of Thrones also one dragons will come.
பெரும் புளுத்தி should be like Western Dragon பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது வந்து it is not just a Western Dragon, it is a symbolism for capitalism. Eastern Dragon symbolism for communism. We have to talk about one person, like one actor who outshone every single person. I'm talking every single performance, but he had like the least amount of dialogue. Talking about Sir Ben Kingsley himself.
He is the most experienced actor in the entire cast, to my knowledge.
Yeah.
Maybe Shang-Chi's auntie was
Michelle Yeoh.
But she's acted in a fair amount of movies. Maybe she has.
She's also in Crazy Rich Asians.
Yeah.
And she's acted with Jackie Chan in Super Cop and stuff like that. Yeah, but like Ben Kingsley, man, punchline.
Ben Kingsley and Morris were the highlight of
amazing. See, I'm telling you.
I mean, I agree. Morris has a butt for a face, but
I still don't understand why the fuck is Awkwafina still in the movie. இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் வெச்சிருந்தா கூட இப்ப
Awkwafina is like the crucial character, bro. In the end of the letter செத்துப்பாங்களா?
இது எப்படி தெரியுமா? மாஸ்டர் படத்துல அந்த பொண்ணு வரும்ல. Again, dude, there was literally, why am I talking about Master now? But okay, fine. Literally she had no role. ஆனா வந்து கேட்டா she's like the most important role. ஏனா அவ தான் வந்து சைன் பண்ணி கொடுத்தா அதனால தான் வந்து அந்த இதுக்கு போனா டே
இல்லடா, it's because they added her into the movie. Like they had to give her a role. And also they wanted to make it so commercial. படத்துலயே வந்து ஒரு arrow super scene மட்டும் தான்.
It was so predictable also, like the whole entirety of the movie, Shang-Chi movie. The arrow example நான் சொல்றேன் நானு. Katie Awkwafina, she is like ஒரு நூல்ல மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு அம்பு விடுறேன் அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு போவா. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் ஒருத்தன் வந்துட்டு ஒரு கேவன் வந்துட்டு டிஸ்கரேஜ் பண்ணுவான். obviously வந்துட்டு உனக்குலாம் இதெல்லாம் தெரியாது அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு. I was like bro இது எப்படி என்ன நடக்கும்னா இப்ப வந்துட்டு அசிங்கப்படுத்துவா. அடுத்த நாள் பார்த்தா இவத வந்துட்டு மெயினா வந்துட்டு குறி போடுவா அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு கரெக்ட்டா ஒரு நூல் மிஸ் ஆகாம போட்டா பாத்தியா.
But who's Awkwafina? Who the fuck is Awkwafina?
கொண்டுற அப்படியே யோ என்ன நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? அது ஏதோ
10 rings வச்சிட்டு போராடிட்டு இருப்பான். இது ஒரு அம்பு விட்டு
oh my god, ஒரு அம்பு விட்டா சரி இதோட முடிச்சுக்கலாம் அப்படி நினைச்சா that fucking Wong, okay, like from Wong makes an appearance, spoiler alert. So yeah, Wong makes an appearance. He calls Shang-Chi. Okay, Shang-Chi கூப்பிடுறா ரைட் அவரு சம்பந்தமே இல்லாம ஆக்வாஃபினா மறுபடியும் கூப்பிடுறா நீ வா இவனு வா. What the fuck is he going to do? அம்பு விட போறானா அவன்?
Yeah, also it has this.
அதுதான் ஆக்கைக்கு வேலையை முடிச்சிச்சுல அப்புறம் எங்கடா மறுபடியும் ஆக்கைக்கே வேலை இல்லை இங்க அவன் என்ன போட போறான்.
Before the epic fight, they somehow knew there was going to be an epic showdown. So
Yeah.
they randomly started training montage.
It was very predictable. It's like, why am I watching this? Yeah, அடுத்தது பார்த்தா வந்து there's going to be obviously a big philosophy.
Shang-Chi's auntie motivating him to.
Anti-motivating.
Yeah.
I'm not even kidding.
It's like this. You read this random ass quotes in online, right? Like, I woke up one day and I was able to see, and when I was born, I wasn't able to talk, but then I learned to talk. That kind of quotes.
நான் ஒரு கிரிஞ்சு கூட சொல்றேன். I cry in the rain because I don't want you to see my tears. சம்பந்தமே இல்லாம சென்டிமெண்ட் பேசுறங்கிற பேர்ல வந்து they were talking a lot of random shit and all. இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணா எப்படிலாம் நடக்கும். You don't have to be afraid. You have to come outside. What?
No, I'm not afraid. Stop talking, please. I need to focus. அப்பா வந்து எப்ப சூத்தட் பண்ணாங்க.
அதெல்லாம் கூட விட நீங்க நினைக்கலாம் நம்ம சாங்சிக்கு வந்துட்டு ஹீரோயின் இல்ல ஆள் இல்ல யாரையும் ரொமான்ஸ் பண்றதுக்கு ஆள் இல்ல அப்படின்னு நினைக்கலாம்.
Like an epic moment.
No, you are wrong. 2 மணி நேரம்
one scene in the entire
2 மணி நேரத்துல பண்ண முடியாதத ஒரே சீன்ல முடிச்சிட்டோம் நம்ம பையன். வேற யாரும் இல்ல நம்ம ஆண்டி தான். I'm not even kidding, bro. The auntie is like 59 years old in real life. Michelle Yeoh is like 59.
I don't complain about her age.
No,
She's like good, okay, but
she is good. I'm saying I'm complimenting her.
Yeah,
She's like, wow, she's 59 years old. She looks like 30 or 29. I'm like, wow, what is this? Asian people have really found immortality or something. I don't know.
Technically.
We look like shriveled up ball sacks, but okay. Look at what those two. I would say I was shouting at the movie theater, get a fucking room, you two.
God, that one scene was like
Sparring,
literally dancing, okay?
swapna kaiya kodupro. Swapna only ஒரு லிட்டர் இது வித் I'm not even exaggerating. அந்த பாட்டு போட்டுருந்தீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா வாட்ஸ்அப் ஸ்டேட்டஸ் போடலாம் அந்த அளவுக்கு இருக்கு. I am like, what is happening here?
It made the movie somehow better. I mean, at least people had a laugh about.
Okay. Coming towards the end of the movie,
They complain about the end. It had
they excel
a
at
lot of
fucking
anime references.
Wow, it's just wow. Like they
showed up with dragons and everything.
Yeah, they outdid it. I mean, like there's nothing to talk about it. Like I saw Spider-Man Far From Home. It was like, did you see those like on the robots and all?
Like that was extraordinary.
Like,
Mysterious and the Mysterious entire.
Exactly that CGI point. Pakka after this, I mean like அதுதான் என்னோட ஒரு ஹை பாயிண்டா இருந்துச்சு like when it comes to Marvel CGI.
Yeah.
But I think this is going to beat it, man. Like Shang-Chi's like the dragon sequences, the fighting, the 10 rings, and hats up to the director for doing like a Kamehameha. Like and they did reference it in the end. That was like pure fan service. Yeah, pure fan service for the DBZ fans, man. Like that was really amazing.
Coming to think of it, the dragon also resembles Shenron.
Oh yeah. Oh fuck yeah. Oh my god.
The thing is, Shang-Chi was not a bad movie. Definitely not a bad movie.
Not a bad movie. I think
it's an amazing movie, which you should watch it in the theaters, especially for the choreography and the CGI, and for Shang-Chi's mom.
Yeah. Shang-Chi's mom is fucking hot, bro. I'm not even. I don't care if I get cancelled. Okay. I mean, she's older, so there's no. She's fucking hot. Okay. Yeah, that's all I want to say.
Yeah, so my point is, if there's going to be one more Marvel movie like Shang-Chi, I think Marvel's market is going to.
No, as I was see, it's going to be amazing for foreign audiences. Okay,
yeah.
They're like, oh my god, what is this shit? What is this sentiment? What is this drama? What's this masala? But for Indians, it's like everyday shit.
Bro, what Surya Vamsam, bro?
Yeah, Surya. Payasam cooking a friend. It's like it's not interesting to us, to be honest. I mean, like maybe a lot of Indians might, like say no, it was good and all. I would just say you have to watch a lot of Vikram and films. It's like, yeah, okay.
Marvel can do better, is what I'm trying to say.